Hey guys, how is everybody doing on this beautiful day? Um, I decided to do a quick little video this morning because I will be busy all day. I will be in and out, going here, going there all day. This year I did not cook. I told my husband I need a break because I cook all the time and I cook for holidays. So we have been invited to a couple of places really. So um, I hope everybody gave God thanks for what they're thankful for. Me, I'm thankful for a lot of things. And I would like to tell everybody on my page, my subscribers, and all y'all, I love y'all guys. And happy Thanksgiving. Y'all enjoy yourself. Be prepared to gain about 10, 15, 20 pounds. And worry about it later. Just eat till you can't eat no more. Enjoy yourselves. Have a good time with family and friends. You know, your loved ones. And I'm going to do the same. But this also is a part 2 of my microwave chunks from yesterday that I put in my bowl with the other stuff that I had. So, yeah, so y'all hear noise in the background of bells. Y'all know those my cats running around. Because I'm in the living room, so my cat's in making noise. But yeah, let's see what we have. Mm, mm, mm. 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 These chunks are so good. And they send it with that baby powder. Y'all put it in a bowl. I had the baby powder and regular cornstarch powder. And they sending this thing real good, boy. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. What I'm gonna wear today, I don't know. But I know I gotta be cute. I don't know why Midnight making all that noise. He must be locked in the room. Give me 1 second, guys, because he getting on my nerves. This cat is unbelievable. Get your ass out. Next time, I'll go in there. Come on. Say hi. Tell the people how bad you been. Look. Tell the people how bad you been. Tell them how you acting. Tell them how you acting. Tell them how you acting. Because they only hear you in the background every time. They hear you. They don't hear Missy. You get on my nerves. Too early in the morning for that Midnight. Too early in the morning. You don't never hear Missy. You always hear him. Morning, noon, and night. But that still got me thirsty. So, guys, probably whenever I come back home later, I'm going to do me some more chunks. I don't have no more big chunks in here. I've been snacking on them yesterday. Come home and do me some, oh, here go one. Oh, a pretty good size. Mm. 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 It's so good. I found one more last nice size chunk. That's it. I'm gonna go lay back down for a little bit before I get up and get myself together. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Ooh, I need something to drink, child. So thirsty.